Welcome back. It's now time for the business day. Lasco Financial Services realized lower profit in its first quarter this year due to higher expenses and lower profit from operations. For the April to June period, the company made $18.8 million after tax. That represents a 77% decline compared to the $82.8 million earned for the same period in 2022. Lasco says the first quarter was a turning point for the business as it implemented several organizational changes to drive more efficiencies. This resulted in 15 positions being made redundant in both Lasco Financial and Lasco Microfinance. The expenses associated with these separations are reflected in the quarter's performance. Looking at income, Lasco Financial Services made $574 million, a marginal increase compared to the $564.5 million made last year. Caribbean Airlines has expanded its service between Trinidad and St. Martin. Starting August 21, the airline will increase capacity with an additional service on Fridays. The airline will further increase service from November 5 with an additional flight on Mondays. The route will be serviced by the company's ATR turboprop aircraft. And that's the business day. We have news from overseas right after this break.